Welcome back, horse enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated supplements in the equestrian world. The Kentucky Performance Prod Elevate Maintenance Powder Supplement for horses. If you're looking to boost your horse's health and performance, you're in the right place. This right here is the gold standard, folks. Known for its premium quality and effectiveness, this supplement stands out from the crowd as the best 1AC horse supplement available on the market today. Let's talk ingredients. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including, this powder supports overall horse health like no other. Whether your horse is competing or enjoying leisurely rides, this supplement ensures they're at their best. The Kentucky Performance Prod Elevate comes in a convenient powder form, making it easy to mix into your horse's daily feed. No fuss, no hassle, just pour, mix, and watch your horse thrive. What sets this supplement apart? It's not just about what's in it, but what it does. From promoting strong muscles to enhancing immune function, this formula covers all bases. Your horse will thank you for the improved stamina and vitality. Imagine your horse with a shiny coat, boundless energy, and a robust immune system. That's the Elevate difference, backed by science and trusted by equestrians worldwide. Remember, our focus today is on the product's features and benefits, not individual experiences. But rest assured, the consensus is clear: this supplement delivers on its promises. If you're ready to take your horse's health to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Kentucky Performance Prod Elevate Maintenance Powder Supplement for horses. Your horse deserves the best, and this is it. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things equestrian. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride on.